Well, the next up is actually kind of another fun story that we're going to talk about. It's back to the Rivian R1T. This video came out and I was just like, I got to talk about this. This is just insanely cool. They showed off their, the kitchen set that you can get for that little cubby hole in the side of the Rivian. And this video is just, man, it's just incredible what this thing can do. Some of the things it's got a 1400 watt induction cooktop. It's got a sink off on the right that, like, she's opening it right now. The sink pops down and it even has a 4-gallon container of water with a little hand spout that you can pull out to do your dishes and clean things off. It's got a 30-piece Snow Peak kitchen set in the drawers on the back of it. And it all slides in and out of that little tunnel system inside the Rivian. Now, granted, this is I think it's a $5,000 edition, so it's a little pricey, but at the same time, this is just a killer example of what you can do with an electric vehicle that you can't do with a gas vehicle, because I don't know how many gas trucks would be able to power a 1400 watt induction cooktop easily, but with a gigantic battery pack, that's obviously something very easy to do. So if you're into trucks and camping, this should probably look very appealing. This kind of blows me away. So what's your take on it?
Yeah, so Robert Powell says, I can't wait for my Rivian with the kitchen sink. Robert is our friend. We met in Fully Charged with the electric motorcycle conversion, and he is a early reservation holder. So there's a chance I might fly out with Robert, and maybe we'll do a road trip from Rivian's factory down to Texas where he lives with his Rivian. So we might do that on my channel. But this truck just gets cooler with every passing week. I feel like. Look at the shape of that. Like, they must have thought to themselves, we got this big pass through. Just imagine the possibilities. And I believe you can take it out. And then
she's about to demo that right now in the video.
So you take it out and you go skiing. You can put your skis in there again, and then you're going on your little RV holiday, and then you go on that. That's fantastic. I love the shape of it. Love the design. It has such a modern design aesthetic to it all. It doesn't feel like typical car accessories. It feels really built in and perfect and modern. That's so cool. Look at that. That's how it integrates into yeah. I love this. I really do. I think this, Matt, you always say that one of the things you love about EVs is all the new reimaginings of all the stuff we've always done. And this is exactly that.
It's rethinking what you can do with a truck.
Absolutely. We have a couple of super chats. First is from Team JG. It says 4 a.m. in Australia. Dang it. So we don't have Australia dialed in perfectly yet. And it says, keeping me entertained at work. The mycelium video was great work, by the way. So we got a fan of yours over there.
Thank you so much.
Claudia, my wife, says my birthday is coming. So I think that's an allusion to buying an R1T. And Lawrence McGill, thank you for your super chat as well. We appreciate you guys. Thank you so much.